All right, everyone. So the first thing we're going to learn about today is called a blind contour line drawing. So if you look at the paper that's in front of you, you'll see here it says to complete 2 blind contour line drawings of your non-dominant hand. Both drawings should be of hands in different positions. So your non-dominant hand is the one that you don't write with. So you're going to be observing that hand as you draw. So let's talk about why we are doing this. Observational drawing is all about seeing and really taking in the details. A blind contour line drawing allows you to focus specifically on the details that you're looking at and not what you're actually drawing. I know that sounds really contradictory, but believe it or not, the finished product of the drawing is not what's important. The fact that you are looking and seeing is. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold my hand about like this. All right, and I am going to be moving my hand off to the side. I am going to look only at my hand while I'm drawing and not at the paper, which means, as you can probably imagine, I'm going to have kind of a goofy looking drawing. I might even run off the page. Things probably aren't going to be in proportion, but after I demonstrate a blind contour line drawing, we'll talk about why this is important. I'm gonna bring this back here really quick. I'm gonna start right here and travel up this way. So hopefully you can see exactly what I'll be doing. But again, it might look a little bit funny. I've had this look like an elephant foot more often than not. Oh, wow. All right. So hopefully you can see I had the thumb right here. I went up. These are supposed to be the fingers and the side of the hand. Obviously, it got a little bit out of proportion. I'd like to think my hand isn't quite that wide. But what I want you to notice is all of the details that I included because I was looking specifically at my hand. The wrinkles that are formed by the knuckles, the nails, the wrinkles in the side of the hand right here where it creases, that is the goal of a blind contour line drawing, to really focus on the details that you are seeing, and that serves as great practice for an actual contour line drawing. So I'm just going to do 1 blind contour line drawing. I'm going to ask you to do 2, and you should do your second one of, you know, a hand in a different position, and you can fit it on the same page. All right, so let's look at the second paper that you printed off where it says contour line drawing, complete a contour line drawing of your non-dominant hand. So again, I'm right-handed, I'm gonna draw my left hand. Now for a regular contour line drawing, I'm gonna scoot this to the side so that you can see, you're going to be looking a lot at your hand, but you can look back and forth between the subject and your actual drawing. So your focus is still to take in all of the different details, but you also want to start working on the proportions and the sizing and trying to get it as realistic as you can. So I'll draw part of it. I would recommend taking about 10 to 15 minutes for a regular contour line drawing. A blind contour line drawing probably only takes like less than 5. So I'm not going to draw the entire thing at the moment, but I'm going to get started. And again, I'm going to hold my hand kind of like this and notice that I'm going slowly. As I move my pencil, my eyes are moving over that same area on my hand. All right, so I didn't finish drawing the hand, but I'm going to stop right there so you can hopefully see the goal of a contour line drawing. So while by no means perfect, you can see I made a little bit more of an effort to make sure that size and proportion has been considered. I can still go back and fix things, like I don't really love the proportion of my thumbnail right here, but I'm not just drawing the outline. This doesn't just look like I traced my hand, which you should not ever do. I have gone through and included as many details as I can. So what I would like you to do this week is your two blind contour line drawings and your regular contour line drawing. And for my virtual learners, take a picture of both pages and submit them to Google Classroom so I can double check your work. Can't wait to see how your drawings turn out, everybody. Good luck.